Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Hi guys, it's Moz here, and we have a tool review. I want to thank World of Wayne for putting me onto this. I've ordered this from Spain and it arrived this week, and I'm so looking forward to using it. It is a brush rinser from Green Stuff World, and if you look at it, it's a very, very clever thing to have on your workbench, and I'll explain why. So this is the box. It has a drain button with return spring, rubber drain plug, 30 flush capacity per bottle, which is 250 millilitres, and a water reservoir for 2 times 250 millilitres drains. So that means the water drains away from here. Side of the box is the instructions on how to fix it all. Easy mountable with just one screw, it says here. So we'll have a little look in a minute on how it all works. And on the back, there's some bump there. The brush rinser provides clean, fresh water conveniently when brush painting, without the clutter and inconvenience of multiple rinse containers, accidental spills or trips to the sink. Just rinse your brush in the fluted well, then press the button and the dirty rinse water will drain into the base reservoir while automatically refilling the well with clean water. Well, you can't say much more than that. So there you go, that's what it looks like. So let's just take it out of the box so we can have a see what we get. As I say, it took about a week and a half to get here from Spain. I didn't pay any import tax on this, which is good. So I'll take it out of the box. Oh, another bit there. So there you are. And I'll just leave the instructions so I can see them to the side. This is basically what you are getting, is one of these. And I assume that you just fill that up with water and give it a twist to make sure it's, that's it. Or it looks like it's just a seal, actually, just a seal, I think. Does it screw on? So it goes in, does it screw? Yeah, it does screw on, I think. And then that just fits, I assume, on there somehow. Must be a way to put it in. I think it's that way. Must be a little notch somewhere. Oh, there's a notch. So it fits in that way. But you've got some things here that you need to screw into the base. So take these out. Oh, that's rubber, that is. I was wondering whether you could use one IPA. We could put IPA in here instead. So just looking, let's take this off, we don't need that. Looking at the instructions, it's looking like, if we put this here, that's the first bit. So that clicks into position there, and then you put I see, right. So you turn this open, and it looks like that all fits together like so in there. Looking at the instructions, that goes in there. So there's your little doobie bit. We do that later. I assume that this rubber piece goes there. That goes on top like so. And that fits, it must be the other way around then. That fits in there like so. And we need a screw, which is this one. This little screw. It's like a posi drive. So I do have a posi drive. Let's get the old electrician screwdriver out. And I'm assuming that then just goes in there and screws in. There we go, screwing in. Nice and tight. That's in tight. And then that fits on there. I'm assuming that just clicks in then, does it? You push that in and that clicks into position. There you go. So when you do that, it pushes the water down, and there you go. That is amazing. Is that it? I think I'll push that in a bit more. Brilliant. So let's go and fill this up with water. Before I fill this up with water, will you please, if you like the content you're seeing from me, would you please just subscribe to us? And if you can, click the bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Subscribers, comments, likes really help this channel. And if you can do all of those three, that is brilliant. So I filled this up with water, And apparently there is a method of putting it in. Let's just quickly look. Sure there was a method. So I found the instructions. So yeah, if you want to fit this properly, you put it on its side, put the bottle in, then flip it up, and you're good to go. So yeah, so you line this up, put that in straight, up so, then tip it up, and you don't get any mess. Absolutely perfect. Sorry about that. I knew there was a way of doing it, but I couldn't work out how. Look at that, it self-levels. So, in theory then, I say in theory, there's the water in the brush cleaner. We'll get a little brush here, and then we'll get some paint. Let's find some paint, shall we? Right. Okay. Pick him up. So we've got a little bit of black satin here from Humbrol. Bit of a staple. We'll just put some on the brush here. So you're brushing away, you want to rinse your brush off, so you put it in the water and just rub it down the side, and you see that now your brush is all clean. You press this button, water escapes, and then fills up again. This is really good, Wayne. This is really good. Thank you for showing this, Wayne. Again, watch again. If we just let the water out, put it back up again, it fills back up with water. So you've always got clean water on your bench. That is absolutely fan-bloody-tastic. Isn't that really clever? Put it back a little bit so you can see a bit more. Again, a little bit of paint on the brush, and then we'll just brush the there you go. Oh, I need to clean off my brush. Put it in the water, give it a bit of a wipe around. There you go. So the brush is now clean. Wipe your brush away, then press the button, water disappears, and then fills up again with clean. You can't bet. That is absolutely brilliant. Fantastic. So again, here you are, just a little bit of paint on the brush. Put it in here, give it a clean. There it is, and the paint brush is all clean. Just press the button, and then it fills up with fresh, clean water. What a brilliant gadget to have on your workbench. So that is the Green Stuff World brush rinser from their website. I will link to this website, and also link to World of Wayne for put me onto this. It's absolutely fantastic. So if I lift this up now, carefully, there's all the dirty paint in the bottom there. Whoops, we've got to be careful here because it may overflow. Just let a bit of the water out. There you go. Look at that. That is fan-bloody-tastic. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Ring that bell. Click all and you'll be notified when I release a new video. If you'd like to help the channel financially, you can now become a channel member, and I do post regular content on the community page just for members only. So if you want to do that, click join. Just like these members here that are on the screen now, they are members and they get extra content from me. And anything else, you like, leave a comment down below and I do reply. So if you've got any questions on this. One last thing, guys, if you want to see other videos, click here for my latest video and click here for a playlist of all the models that I've built.